Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to talk about prepping your hair before you do a protective style, because I'm going to be putting in one soon and I love to do this. It does make a big difference on my hair after those few weeks that I've had it put away without doing any treatments on it. So let's get started. Now, the first thing I do a week before I do my protective style, I put in my Hanna treatment. Doing a Hanna treatment, it's amazing for your hair. It strengthens it, fills in all the gaps, just take care of all the issues you may have overall on your hair and scalp, and you'll notice your hair looks amazing after you put in that treatment. I put in that treatment so many times on my channel. I have a bunch of videos on it and I do my best to keep it up once a month to make sure that I am putting that in. So that's the first step you would want to do to strengthen it. If you don't want to put Hanna in your hair, you can do a cholesterol treatment. That would help as well, make your hair a lot stronger. So definitely do one of those before treatment a week before you do anything to your hair. Now the next thing you want to do is the day before is shampoo your hair, because I do use a lot of products to keep my hair moisturized. That comes with product buildup. Now I have gotten a few questions about how much you should shampoo. Can I shampoo twice? So definitely to each his own, guys. If you need to shampoo twice, go ahead and do it, because I usually need to do it the first time. I'll go in with a lot of shampoo. I'm not shy at all about the shampoo I use, but I do want to make sure that I'm using enough to clean my hair. So the first time I'll go in with a heap of shampoo and just put it on my scalp only. Now I do pre-poo my hair usually with oil, so that helps me a lot. So if you don't do any pre-pooing, you might want to think about a pre-poo treatment when you're using as much shampoo as I do, because I will normally go in a second time and shampoo it with less shampoo, but definitely want to make sure that you getting your scalp as clean as possible without completely stripping your hair of its natural oils. Now a tip guys I do want to give you is try to stick to one shampoo for at least 1 to 2 months. I do that now. I do know I have a lot of products I go through, but I try to stick with the same shampoo pretty much for 1 to 2 months so my scalp doesn't freak out on me, and then I'll introduce a different one. Certain products like your shampoo, it's a good idea to use the same product for at least a month or more. Now another thing you want to do guys is definitely pack some good moisture in your hair. I know we went through the whole step of cleaning our hair, making sure it's super nice, super clean, nothing build up. The reason for that was to get rid of all old products. Now because your hair is going to be away, your actual strands are what you really want to focus on, because you're going to have those away for a good amount of time. Even though you're putting oils, moisturizing your scalp, doing all that good stuff, your strands usually don't get any of that. So one thing I like to do is get a really thick moisturizing butter. The TGIN has a great one to use. It's super heavy, super thick, so if your hair is good with heavy product, I would suggest using that. Or if you need a lighter product, I would suggest the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. It's great. It's not too heavy at all, very light actually, but it's super moisturizing. You do need to put moisture when you are doing your hair, so I would do the leave-in spray first, use that buttercream moisturizer, and then I would go in with my shea butter mix to seal everything in. I love that mix. It's super cooling because I use mango butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter. Super light, feels great, but it also seals in all that moisture you just packed on top of it, and it does penetrate as well because of the mango butter. So great sealing. So if you use oil or butters, just seal everything in. You'll notice how nice and hydrated your hair looks before you actually put your protective style in. I typically would crochet protective style in, and I've done a lot of the yarn, and sometimes I'll use the synthetic hair. I don't use human hair, so I can't give you guys tips and advice on those, but if you're using any type of those yarn or synthetic hair, you want to make sure your hair is super moisturized. So these are my little things that I do whenever I'm about to put in a protective style. I can't wait to actually do a protective style because I'm getting super busy. I don't have time to always go ahead and do my hair, and I want to give my hair a little bit of break from everything I have been doing. I've been happy with the treatment, trimming it, so want to give it a little bit of break. So I can't wait to do those. If you guys have any tips that you use, anything that you do before you protective style, definitely comment down below, let us know. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Definitely help my channel out a lot. And if you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know whenever I have new videos out. And always leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.